Hey guys, in this Vegas Movie Studio tutorial I'll be doing how to make your night vision look like the Ghost Adventures on the show, Ghost Adventures crew. Right here is my AX53 night vision. This is what it looks like before I did anything, this is after. I want to show exactly how I did that. I could have done better, but I was trying to do like a little quick edit. First, you will go to Event FX, select color corrector, add, and basic contrast. You might have to fill it that a little bit to get where you want it. First, bring the saturation up a bit, and bring your gamma down, and your gain. Because it looks like they have it somewhere around here. Or if you want to do like Ghost Hunter style, you can just go saturate all the way down and be black and white. Now it seems like I got that where I want it. I'm going to go to looks like I select color corrector twice, did I? Well, I'm going to remove that plugin. So what I'm going to do is go contrast and try to adjust it a bit. So this is pretty much looks like on your show. But I usually do not like make it this dark how they make it, because when they try to present their evidence, you can't see it. You have a very hard time seeing it because it's just way too dark. I know Ghost Hunter #1 is asking me how they do it, and this is how they do it. They're basically getting their color corrector and changing the gamma and gain around. Maybe touch a bit of saturation to get that color they want it. To make more like cinematic, to make more like spookier and stuff. Well guys, this is this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other panel videos out and my other Vegas Movie Studio tutorials out.